So in this session we are discuss on the importance of civil services examination and useful content for civil services. If you don't know, please see this video. And exam guide. Civil services examination is conducted 3 stages by Union Public Service Commission. So a notification is gave 2 weeks ago, and civil services examination 3 stages. First stage is preliminary examination, second one is mains examination, third one is interview or personality test. So in the prelims examination paper having two papers, one is 200 marks with 100 question general studies paper, and 200 marks 80 questions CSAT paper. CSAT paper is also defined as civil services aptitude test. So in the general studies paper we have current affairs, history, geography, Indian polity and governance, economic and social development, environment and science. So in the CSAT paper, comprehension passages, interpersonal skills including communication skills and logical reasoning and analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, and numerical basic numeracy on 10th level, data interpretation like charts, graph, tables, data sufficiency, like that. In note 1, comprehension skills are 10th level. Okay. In our candidate must be contained 21 years on August 1st, and here she applying for the paper of preliminary. So category of general have age limit 32. Before 32 only, or 32 age peoples 6 attempts for generals, and OBC 9 attempts, 35 age limit, SC/ST 37 age limit. So unlimited attempts means age of 21 to 37 only, and disability 42 years 9 attempts only, and disability of PH other category, this is for general PH, and other category means 42 all per candidates category. So in that preliminary examination of civil services examination shall requirement to post mention 24 exactly. In that total posts are here. So not only civils means IAS and IPS. So 26 cadres are here: Indian Administrative, Indian Forest Service, Police Service, and Postal Service, Audit and Accounts, Revenue, Defense, Revenue Services, Postal and Civil Services Accounts. This is all Group A posts, and Group B posts are from Armed Forces Headquarters Civil Services, and Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Civil Services Group B, Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Islands. At the same time, it's from Police Service, Pondicherry Civil Services is the Group B, and Group B Pondicherry Police Service. So in the weightage, we get weightage of this paper is considered is mainly concentrated on environment, economy. So what is the blue color is the current affairs, it's environment. So mainly what focus on, it is not focus on only one, it is divided into every year, concentrate on one, means that we should learn every subject as important for this prelims paper. And we go to the mains paper. So in the prelims paper, the qualifying marks is, first paper is 100 marks, must have 100 marks, and second paper of general studies 67 marks enough, means 25% of marks. So mains, after qualifying the prelims, mains paper like this. Qualifying papers are two, both paper A and paper B. Paper A is consist of Indian languages, selected languages including 8th schedule is for 300 marks, and English paper B is 300 marks. So these are the qualifying papers, and paper to be counted for the merit. So after qualifying the paper only they are counted this. And paper 1 is essay is must on English 250 marks, and this is only 250 marks, and the remaining are from GS1, GS2, optional 2 papers are here, 6 and 7, and 2 to 5 means is like this: general 1, general 2, general 3, general 4. General 1 is Indian history, culture and geography of world society, and second paper is consist of governance, constitution, polity, social justice and international relationship, and general studies having technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security and disaster management, and general studies having ethics, integrity and aptitude. So these are the optional papers, means 6 to 6 and 7 is 250 and 250 marks. So completely GS1 paper syllabus, and GS2 paper syllabus, GS3, GS4, and optional papers are 25 from group 1, and group 2 means it is the language which you selected for optional, and the personality test is based on clearing mains, and this is totally interview on 275 marks, grand total 2025. So out of 165 vacancies, so now it's shortage of vacancies. So if you see the focus on how much seats or how much vacancies are here from free job alerts website, you go to that website and then you understand how many vacancies are here. I think already I will before releasing that examination. So latest notification, you go in the latest notification, we get UPSC civil services examination having 712 post. So it is increased by 100. Upcoming 2019, it is 2021 means some posts are added from these services, and last date for the civil services examination is posting date on 4th 3 2021 with general 100 rupees fee, and last date to apply 24th this month. If you forget, please remember, and this is the opportunity to fulfill your dreams of civil services examination. So if you apply for this and then go to the part 1, first you register this registration process, then go to the part 2, which is optional also put in this paper. First of all, if you apply for this paper, please before 24th only you apply. So with fee payment is 23,300 given. So you should careful about this examination of your selecting places of vacancies you see already. So the places which you are write examination, and the remaining part, it will not update, or they are not given time to you if you have any queries, and if name mistakes, it's not considerable. So please, uh, you have to do with carefully, and all the best for your future examinations what you applied for. So this is my strategy to know the civil services examination basically. So if you take the UPSC cutoff marks, final result, you take final result of civil services examination. So I'm not applying, it's given only National Defense Academy. Okay. So prelims UPSC civil services cutoff 2000 CSC cutoff UPSC CSC cutoff 2019 means 2021, you take 2020. So in this 2020, that cutoff marks are given by UPSC, you take it is there as their reference. So this is the civil services mains, so it's include the prelims also. So you get the minimum qualifying examinations, or this is for civil engineering services, engineering services. I'll take go to the civil services examination. In the civil services prelims, having 98 for general, 90 OBC 95. So it is the difference between general and OBC is only 3 marks, and the mains 751, 696 and 718, and civil services final would get 920.